What's going on, fellow squids? Welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. Guys, I was thinking, I know it's only been like 6 months or so since I've been making these videos, but I was thinking about making some hats and some shirts. I don't know. It won't have my logo on it, of course. It will have like different logos on it. I haven't decided yet. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put them up right here if I did come up with anything. I'll put them up right here so you can take a look at them and see what you think. And I was also thinking, if you are subscribed to this channel, hit me up in the comments so I can give you a personal thank you and show you some appreciation for you being a part of this journey. Okay, so I do not have much going on today. You know, it's winding down, bike season is winding down. This is gonna be a short video because it's not bike related. My friend is having a birthday, so we're all getting together. I think it's only gonna be like 3 of us. Hopefully we don't get into too much trouble. Probably have some beers, kick back, watch a movie. I don't know, play some cards, drink some beers. I really don't know what's gonna happen, but hopefully we don't get into too much trouble. I'm thinking we may go to a bar. We may do some bar hopping in the city, probably in Easton, probably Bethlehem. I am not sure what's gonna happen, but you know what? Let's run a cinematic over this, and I will touch base again once we all group up together. All right, guys, you know what time it is, so here we go. Alright guys, change of plans. We're gonna stay here instead. So I'm just waiting on those other guys to come back. I just went out, got cigars and whatnot. So we'll wait for them to show up. So I'll check you back in a couple minutes.
Yeah, yesterday was recording. You're not taking that with you, right?
Yes?
Let's go eat, bro. Alright, we're getting up to head out. We're gonna head to the... Where we going?
Bethlehem.
We're going to Bethlehem? Okay. We're going to the bars.
Thank you for understanding what position you're in. We put it on your YouTube channel. You got your chance. And you erase my face.
Alright, let's head out. Alright, let's park this bitch.
Now that we have to pay for parking.
You gotta pay for the parking. Alright, so let's go see what's up.
Debbie Downer.
Sister being such a Debbie Downer. He wants to be on YouTube. I want to be on YouTube.
You can walk down or you can walk to the next block.
Oh, the next block.
A good chocolate place over there. Down
Cork
the
is
street.
good, but it's closed today.
Cork is good. Alright. Yeah, I've been down here a few times, but only when they had like the bands and all that shit.
He said he could sit us now, but there's only 3 servers in there. Like, just like drinks and stuff. Like, I was like, how long? He's like, oh, 10 minutes. You want to drink over there?
Or you want to go somewhere else?
12 grand in taxes. Alright, change the plans to go back to Easton.
Let's go to Philly.
Alright, we're going to Philly instead. Let's go to California.
Oh no, Philly's underwater.
Oh shit, Philly's on the water?
Hey Nitty, you know I've been here 18 years and I can say this is the worst of flooding I've seen here in the city of Philadelphia. 20 feet high of flood water.
Oh yeah.
No, we can't go over there.
They got a nice beer selection too.
I don't think what happened?
He tried to put his seatbelt on because you won't stop the car. You're approaching, you almost ran in the back of one car, now you don't want to stop at the light. It's alright. Alright, we in Easton because Bethlehem was a no. Ladies on the bikes. I'm still hungry, still trying to get something to eat. Yeah. I'm so hungry, I could eat my own ass. So we're gonna do the Bayou, I guess. Oh, let's grab a table. Yeah. To you, maybe. Pretty good, man. Swerving and shit.
I am not swerving.
Oh my god. I got my seatbelt on. And he's swerving.
I did put the signal.
Where is it? There's no signal light. What the? Oh my god, we gonna die tonight.
No.
We gonna die tonight.
Ain't nobody driving my phone.
We gonna die tonight. Holy shit. I don't believe this is what we're getting ourselves into. Well, it's 12 o'clock at night. Everybody's packed up. And that's a wrap. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.
Asshole.
He's an asshole.
No, you.
You're an asshole.
I was all in that girl's ass. I'm like, oh, fucking